Awesome. So, Christian, can you tell us your name, who you are, and what your company does?
Yeah, my name is Christian Cronin. I am one of the partners at Blue Sky Roofing and Restoration. So we are a full-blown exterior remodeling company, right? So we do roofing, windows, siding, gutters. We do decks as well. Um, a little bit of interior work if it's tied into insurance work, but we do retail and insurance work, primarily roofing, but we are a full-blown exterior company.
Awesome. And Christian, what was your recruiting and how did you build a sales team before working with us?
Yeah, it's a good question. Kind of a simple answer is we weren't, right. It was just me and my partner. We were the ones doing everything, right. We were running our appointments. We were doing all the production. So we didn't have salespeople, right. But we knew that if we wanted to grow our company, we needed to get salespeople, but we also needed help to be able to free up our time to do what we needed to do to run the business. And that's where we started looking into different really solutions.
Awesome. And well, how was your experience during our first month of recruiting?
Yeah, I mean the experience has been pretty seamless, right? Like it was we had our initial meeting with you, well, a couple meetings, right? I think we had two or three trying to figure out like the nuts and bolts of how we were going to do this. Um, we felt really comfortable. We liked the fact that you weren't super high pressure, but you kind of laid all the cards on the deck. Like this is what you're going to like, this is what you're not going to like, right? So the first month has been good. I think we've got two quality candidates. You know, you guys are still working to fill that third spot, and again, it's been a big time saver for us in the first month because doing everything in the company, like you don't have a whole lot of time to recruit all these people and do the initial interviews and then do the second round of interviews and get the paperwork done and then start that initial training. That's 40 hours a week in itself, right? So it doesn't free up a lot of time. But I would say the first month has gone well.
Awesome. Awesome. And Christian, how do you see this and what we're doing affecting your company in the near future?
Um, I mean, it's going to affect our company in a positive way, right? We are, really bringing bodies in. It's not about bringing bodies in. Of course, it is, but we want to bring in the right bodies, right? We want the people that are ready to hit the ground running. They're willing to learn. They're willing to go out and work. Um, and really, if we keep kind of snowballing on what we're doing here, I think we're going to see some exponential growth really over the next 60 to 90 days, and that was our goal.
Awesome. And what would you tell to another company or say to another company that's on like the fence about working with us?
Yeah, I would say kind of just jump in. Like when we're talking about like recruiting and getting quality salespeople, there's no dipping your toe in the water. If you do that, you're not going to see the results you want to see. So just dive in. I mean, the best part about it is, if it doesn't work out for you, there's really no obligation, right? There's really no risk into doing it. Um, so, I mean, I wouldn't hesitate, especially if you're really trying to get those first couple sales reps, or you're trying to relieve the pressure of recruiting, trying to do it internally. Um, yeah, I would just say jump in.